What's up, everybody? Today is Friday, June 4th. So I just wanted to break down something real quick. So I'm going to bring up the chart from the main index, one of the main indexes, which is SPY, SPY. So this is the fund that most people put their money in, teachers, a lot of 401ks. This is the major index, and this is basically a big picture of the overall market, right? So as you can see, the market has been going nuts for basically since the bottom, since March of last year, right? Been flying, making historic gains. And now you can see we're probably near a top and due for somewhat of a pullback, right? So the last pullback we had, which was actually needed and healthy, was May 12th, right? It opened at $416.36 and it dropped back to 404, right? And as you can see here now, we are pretty much getting close to that area. 422 to me looks like a pretty good top, and it's looking like it wants to pull back again. As you can look at the daily chart right here, we reached a high of 422.72, which is lower than 422.82 over here, right before we pulled back May 11th, 12th, and then 13th, right? And so basically what I'm saying is I think the market is definitely about to do a little bit of a pullback. Not a market crash. A pullback is definitely needed and healthy. Yeah, so I think probably with it by Wednesday, I would say the market is probably going to have a substantial drop back to test this low of 405. And I'm going to be right there for the taking because things fall much faster and much harder than they rise up, right? You can make much more money, unfortunately. You can definitely make much more money way faster on the put side when things fall, because they fall much faster because of fear and people selling, and there's just a lot of selling pressure, and it falls much faster. So just be on the lookout for that, especially if you are in options and want to make some money. But either way, nonetheless, read the charts and play based on the charts. I could be wrong, but it's looking pretty heavy. And then if we go look at the dollar, the last time the dollar was at the level that it's at right now, if you look at this, we're at 1.21101, right? This is pretty low. This is all selling pressure. These black candles are all selling pressure. And then if we look on the higher time, this is a 4-hour chart. If we look on the daily chart, the last time we hit this, we were this low. Look at this candle. May 12th. If you see down here, excuse me. If you can see down here on the bottom of my screen, May 12th. Boom. Look at this black candle. It was the last time we were hitting these levels, basically. And we rebounded, but to me, it's looking like a sign of a drop. But that's all I got. That's a helpful hint. And on my charts, this red line is the 13 SMA. The green line is the 55 SMA. The 13 is above that, and it wants to get back and test this green line. So be on the lookout. And yeah, I'll try to post more helpful videos to learn how to read charts. But basically, all you need is those two lines, and you can do some damage if you understand price action and you're willing to take the emotions out of trading and trade based on the charts. And with that being said, I think they will try to hold the market up today because it's looking like it's trying to curl up right here. But like I said, by Wednesday, it might start to get a little bit heavy.